Off-market properties can be a gold mine if you know how to handle inspections right, but they can also be a minefield if you don't. We are growthsense.com, your go-to directory for off-market real estate buying and selling, and here are 7 essential tips for handling inspections on off-market properties. Number 1. Do your homework before you even step inside. Look up recent sales in the area and check local records for liens or legal issues. This way, you won't go in blind and can spot if the price matches what the property is really worth. Number 2. When reaching out to the homeowner, keep it personal and respectful. A handwritten note shows you're genuinely interested rather than just a business buyer, which helps build trust and opens doors for smoother talks. Number 3. Team up with a real estate agent who knows off-market deals inside and out. These pros have networks and know the tricks that can save you headaches later. Plus, they can help you make offers that sellers actually want to consider. Number 4. Never skip a professional home inspection. It's the only way to catch hidden problems like wiring issues or foundation cracks that can cost you thousands down the line. Make sure your offer lets you back out if something serious pops up. Number 5. Focus on the big-ticket areas during inspections like electrical, plumbing, roof, foundation, and signs of mold or water damage. These are the parts that can blow your budget if ignored, so get all the details while you're there. Number 6. Use inspection results to negotiate. Highlight safety or health concerns first, and keep minor cosmetic stuff low priority. A calm, reasonable approach shows you're serious but fair, making sellers more likely to work with you. Number 7. If anything sketchy comes up, order specialized tests like radon or lead paint checks. These extra steps give you peace of mind and stronger leverage if you need to ask for repairs or price cuts. If you're diving into off-market deals, check out growthsense.com for listings and tools that help you research and inspect smarter, so you'll make confident investments every time.